Hello! Today we're going to demonstrate how to use flashcards. To begin, find a Kahoot you'd like to practice with. This could be a Kahoot from your library or the Discover page. Tap on View All to access all the available self-study modes in Kahoot. From these options, choose Flashcards. To see the answer, simply tap on Card. If you know the answer, swipe right. If you're unsure of the answer, swipe left to revisit the card later in the session. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to use flashcards in Kahoot. You can always repeat questions in Learn mode or revisit this quiz at any time.